Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix EDENS 0 gamepad or controller not working. So let's go ahead. The first method is to restart your PC and Steam. So for that you simply go to the Steam app, click on Steam and then click on exit option and then check if the issue is resolved. Otherwise simply click on start option and then click on power and select restart. This will restart your PC and hopefully the issue will be resolved. Next you need to update controller drivers. So for that you need to connect your PC and controller first. After that go to the search bar and search for device manager. After it opens, expand the human interface devices. Here right click on this and click on update driver. After that click on search automatically for drivers. This will update the drivers and then check if the issue is resolved. Next method is to enable or disable Steam input. For that you simply open the Steam app, go to the game, right click on it, select properties and then click on controller. After that go here and click on enable Steam input and then check if the issue is resolved. Next simply click disable Steam input and then check if this resolves the issue. The next method is press Alt plus Enter keys. Many experts suggest to press Alt plus Enter keys as this is one of the best tricks to resolve such kind of issues you are facing, and then check if this resolves the issue. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that you need to go to the Steam app, right click on the game, select properties and then click on install files and then click on verify integrity of the game files. After verifying the integrity of the game files, check if the issue is resolved. The next method is to check for game update. You must check if there is an update available, as the developers often release the updates on the game that you should download and install it. After updating the game, try to launch the game and check if it's working for you. The next method is update Windows. So make sure your Windows is updated. For that you need to go to the search box and click on check for updates option. This will open the Windows update folder. Here you can check if there is any update available. If there is any update available, simply update Windows and then check if the issue is resolved. Finally, the last method is to install DS4 Windows tool. Simply search for the link on your browser that is mentioned in the description, download and install DS4 Windows on PC, and after that launch the EDENS 0 game and check if you are facing the same issue again. That's all for now. Thank you.